Write homework first. Homework Monday. What are stationary waves? Characteristics of stationary waves and numericals 1 to 5. And Tuesday, explain formation of stationary waves, velocity of transverse wave, hence find frequency of string. Third, laws of vibrating string. Wednesday. Numericals 6 to 10. Second, MCQ 1 to 20. Thursday, different modes of vibrating string. And air column. When I say air column means different. Show that air column vibrates with all harmonic. Air column. Sixth, pipe closed at one end. Friday, numericals 10, 11 to 18. MCQ 20 to 40. Saturday, sonometer Maldives experiment. ये सब लिख के प्रैक्टिस करना है. संडे का कुछ काम नहीं देता. बैकलॉग हुआ by some reason, then Sunday is for that. MCQ number 21. When a string is under tension fixed between two rigid support is excited, then possible modes there will be at least 21. A string is when a string under tension, ये भी करा है शायद ना, सम नंबर 20 also I think
25 तक करा है,
25 तक हो गया ना, बराबर 25 तक हो गया. 26. A wave of frequency 100 Hz travels along the string towards fixed point. A wave of frequency 100 Hz travels along string towards fixed point. Fixed point means node. When this wave is reflected back after reflection, a node is formed at distance of after reflection. A node is formed at distance of 10 centimeter from the fixed end. Then what is the speed of wave? It is the wave is incident towards fixed end, that means node. Then it gets reflected and again one node is formed at 10. So this means node distance lambda by 2 is 10. Lambda equals to 20 centimeter. B equals to n lambda. Frequency is given 100. Lambda we got 20. This many centimeter per second, or we can say 20 meter per second. So answer is 20 meter per second. C option. Right? Next one. 27 was asked in the exam. Length of the string is shortened by 40%. Tension is increased by 44%. Length is shortened by 40 and tension is increased by 44. Length is shortened by 40 and tension is increased by 44. Then the ratio of the frequency final and initial. So first mistake we may do, we may find initial final. They want final and initial fundamental frequency. Length is increased by 44, shortened by 40%. So new length 40 से कम, shorten मतलब कम. So it is 60 upon 100 of original. Tension is increased by 44. So 144 upon 100 of original. Now we know fundamental frequency is 1 upon 12 root of T by N. So N1 upon N2 will be L2 by L1 root of T1 upon T2. So N1 upon N2 is 60 upon 100 of L1 and T2 is 144 upon 100 of T1. So N1 upon N2 will become 60 upon 100 root of 100 upon 144. So N1 upon N2 is 60 upon 100 into 10 upon 12. 12 pies are 60, 5 into 2 is 10. So N2 upon N1 is 2 by 1. Ratio is N2 by N1, 2 by 1, right? 2 by 1, which option? 2 is to 1.
D.
Huh? D, man.
D.
D, correct. And this Sunday you will have test on stationary wave.
MCQs.
Huh?
MCQs.
Pardon?
MCQs वगैरह.
नहीं नहीं नहीं, थियरी एमसीक्यू दोनों दोनों है, दोनों दिया ना होमवर्क आपको.
Okay, sir.
Completed? Yes, completed.
हाँ.
Okay. 28. A wire has linear density of 5 into 10 raised to minus 3 kg per meter, stretched between two rigid support with tension of 450 Newton. The wire resonates at a frequency of 420 Hz. The next higher frequency at which it is resonating is 490 Hz. What is length of wire? See, very important. Huh? They are saying a wire is resonating at frequency 420 and then again higher wala is 490. Now this is first harmonic, second harmonic, third harmonic, fifth harmonic या कौन सा harmonic ये बोला नहीं है. बोला एक wire है, it is vibrating with frequency 490 and then again it vibrates with higher frequency of first 420 and then 490. Now this 420 has how many harmonic? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ये बोला नहीं. But if N1 is third harmonic, example I'm telling, then automatically next higher will be fourth. If N1 is fifth, the next will be sixth. If N1 is seventh, next will be eighth. This much clear? Hello?
हाँ sir.
One higher मतलब एक ज्यादा नहीं है, next higher. तो ये कौन सा है मालूम नहीं, ये उसके एक आगे है. स्ट्रिंग वाइब्रेट्स with frequencies, string vibrates frequencies n, 2n, 3n, 4n डॉट डॉट डॉट. तो कोई भी दो के बीच में डिफरेंस कितना है, कोई भी दो का बीच का डिफरेंस बिटवीन एनी टू कॉन्जिक्यूटिव कितना है, बोलो फटाफट.
n
n होएगा बराबर. So distance between any two, difference between any two consecutive is equals to n. So I can say therefore 490 minus 420 must be n. So 70 must be n, and n is 1 upon 12 root of t by m. So this is 1 upon 2, length we want. T is 450 Newton, linear density 5 into 10 raised to minus 3. 5 nines are 45, so 90. That means we get 70 equals to 1 upon 12. 90 ka 10 raised to minus 3 goes up. 9 into 10 raised to plus 4. So 70 equals to 1 upon 12, 300. Therefore, this 0 I can cancel, 2 into 15 I can cancel. So length equals to 15 upon 7. 15 upon 7 means close to 2. Check close to 2 hai kya option? Close to 2 option hai. Do we have option?
option B sir,
Option B,
2.1.
2.1. Yes, correct. 2. Important is difference between two consecutive is n. If it is closed pipe, then 2n. If it is open pipe, still n.
Done sir.
Okay. Everybody is done, na? Hello, everybody is done?
Yes, sir.
Sum number 29. A string of musical instrument is 50 centimeter long and its fundamental frequency is 800 hertz. If its frequency is 1000 hertz, the required length of string will be how much? 50 centimeter, then frequency is 800. If frequency is 1000, what should be the length? N is inversely proportional to L. Therefore, N1 upon N2 will be L2 by L1. So 800 upon 1000 equals to L2 upon L150. 50 into 20. So L2 equals to 40 centimeter, option B. Done? Completed?
Yes, sir.
Next, sum number 30. In Meldy's experiment, when longitudinal position is used, two loops are formed. So number of loops 2 in longitudinal position. Under tension of 64 gram weight. How much tension must be reduced to? तो नया टेंशन कितना कम रहेगा वो बोला है. To obtain 8 loops, tension be reduced to what value? That means what should be new tension to obtain 8 loop on the same length when transverse position is used. अगर position same रहता तो मैं लिखता T1 P1 square is T2 P2 square. Here it is not same, so you start like this. In longitudinal position, frequency is twice. So it is 2 times P1 upon 12 root of T1 by M equation 1. In transverse position, N is same as N. That means it is P2 upon 12 root of T2 by M equation 2. So from 1 and 2 we get P1 upon L root of T1 by M, P2 upon 12 root of T2 by M. L, M, L, M cancel. So T1 P1 square is T2 P2 square. Just copy till this. हेलो, वो बोर्ड गिर गया ना. कौन सा वाला है? अपना क्लास वाला अल्फा वाइंड वाला कौन सा है? तो बाहर से ना, तो उसका खाली साइज देख लेना मौर्या को, तो उसका मैं डिजाइन भिजवाता हूँ, वो कर लेगा फिर. हाँ वो तो लगेगा नहीं ना, दूसरा फट गया ना बोल रहे हो आप. अच्छा लग जाएगा, फिर मौर्या को बुला के देखो 100-200 रुपया दे के लगा दो उसे. क्या टूट गया है? हाँ. अच्छा, तो देखो ना मौर्या को पूछ के कैसे कर सकता है, क्या लगेगा. और और दूसरा वो जो आपने एमसीक्यू का भेजा था ना 11th के लिए, उसका आंसर भेज दो. आंसर की है उसका काइनेमेटिक्स का. फोटो कैसे निकाल पाओगे आपको? अरे यार ऐसा मत करो ना, एक इधर भेजोगे एक उससे भेजोगे तो अलग अलग हो जाएगा ना, कैसे समझेगा मुझे. तो उसका फोटो निकाल के मतलब टाइप करके फिर फोटो निकाल के. ठीक है देखता हूँ. ठीक है, बोर्ड बोर्ड का देखो. ठीक है. ठीक है. हेलो. हेलो. हेलो.
हाँ सर. हाँ
हाँ
सर.
T1 P1 square is T2 P2 square upon 4. T1 is 64, P1 is 2, T2 we have to calculate, P2 is 8 upon 4. 8 square is 64, 64, so T2 equals to 16. So it should be reduced to 16. Clear? Meaning followed? T1 64, P1 2, so 2 square 4, T2, P2 is 8 ka square, 8 ka square 64 upon 4, 8 square cancel, 4 4 is a 16. So it should be reduced to 16. Done? Hello, completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sum number 31. In a demonstration experiment on standing wave, it is desired to have one loop. We want to have one loop. P1 is one loop. And then two loop. And three loop. It is desired to have one loop, two loop, three loop in an experiment on a string whose length is 5 meter, on which tensions are F1, F2, F3 respectively. The linear density of the string is 5 into 10 raised to minus 3 kg per meter. And the frequency of vibrator attached is 20 hertz. Frequency of vibrator to which string is attached is 20 hertz. Approximate values of F1, F2, F3 is how much if 1, 2, 3 loops are obtained on the string for perpendicular, if string vibrates perpendicular to the length. So since string is perpendicular to length, that means it is transverse position. Therefore, it is transverse position. So for transverse position, frequency of tuning fork is same as string. So we can say therefore this is P1 upon 12 root of T by M. एक बार P1 मिल गया, then we'll write T1 P1 square is T2 P2 square, T1 P1 square is T3 P3 square. So frequency is 20. P1 we have to calculate. Length is 5. Tension F1 we don't know. M is 5 into 10 raised to minus 3 and number of loop P1 is 1. By squaring, 20 ka square is 400, 10 ka square will be 100, F1 upon 5 into 10 raised to minus 3. Therefore, F1 equals to 4 into 5 will become 20 into 10 raised to 4 into 10 raised to minus 3. Therefore, F1 equals to 200 Newton. So first force will be 200 Newton. Then we want what is F2, F3 also. So T1 P1 square is T2 P2 square in Meldis experiment for same position. Therefore, T1 is 200, P1 is 1, T2 is F2, P2 is 2 square. Therefore, F2 equals to 50 Newton. Again, T1 P1 square you can write T3 P3 square. So 200 into 1 is T3 into 3 ka square 9. So 200 upon 9. 9 2s are 18, 9 2s are 18, 2 2 is recurring. So 250 and 22. 250 and 22, option C. Option is C. 200, 22, 50. 50 and 22. Sahil, how's your health? Sahil,
Good, sir.
क्या हो गया, बुखार है?
हाँ, sir.
Take care. Daddy goes to clinic ना daily?
हाँ,
तो he is exposed ना, then थोड़ा आप care लो अपना.
हाँ, sir, वो नहीं, sir, थोड़ा सा ही है.
अच्छा. उस दिन का लेक्चर मैंने रिकॉर्डेड पोस्ट किया था शायद.
हाँ,
देख लिया आपने?
सब देखने का है. वो गणपति जी है ना, थोड़ा काम भी पड़ रहा है.
देख लेना, मतलब आपका फिर मिस नहीं
हाँ
होएगा ना, आ जाए
यस सर,
टेक्स्ट।
यस सर, यस सर।
Please stick to the planner as much as it is possible so that you can get good mark and your portion will get completed with proper revisions. Ishika, Ishika,
हाँ
how is your studies going on?
सर अच्छी चल रही है।
ठीक है, कर रहे हो ना खुद से?
हाँ सर।
ठीक है,
डन सर।
ओके। 31 सबका हो गया, क्लियर कर दो। आर्यन हो गया क्या? Both Aryan completed, can I clear it?
Yes, sir.
यस सर।
32. Two closed pipe. Two closed organ pipe when sounded together are giving 5 beats per second. So difference in frequency of sound is 5 beats per second. Their length are in the ratio. Their length are in the ratio 100 upon 101. The fundamental note produced by them will be how much? That means frequency N1 and N2 will be how much? See, whenever length is given, then relation with frequency always start as inversely proportional. So N1 upon N2 is L2 by L1. L2 is given 100, L1 is 101. अभी ये शॉर्टकट मेथड बताता हूँ, हाउ टू गेट N1 N2 डायरेक्टली फॉर MCQ, नॉट फॉर 12th MCQ के लिए। डिफरेंस निकालना इसका, डिफरेंस ऑफ न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर इज 1 है ना, इधर 100 and 101 is the difference 1? Hello, is the difference 1?
यस सर।
Yes, but बीट फ्रीक्वेंसी में कितना डिफरेंस का बोला है? 5 ना,
हाँ
but required difference is 5. Therefore multiply 1 by 5, मतलब डिफरेंस 1, ये 5 मिला, तो वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई 1 by 5 to get 5 equal to 5. This multiply with numerator and denominator. So we get N1 upon N2 100 into 5 upon 101 into 5, that is 500 upon 505. So एक का फ्रीक्वेंसी 500, दूसरे का 505 है क्या? देखो, एक का फ्रीक्वेंसी 500, दूसरे का 505 is coming in D. So D is the required option. First I took ratio, then found the difference. Difference आया 1, चाहिए 5, तो न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर को 5 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया।
Done, sir.
Okay. Come to sum number 33. Sum number 33. In the first overtone produced by closed pipe and open organ pipe, their length are in the ratio of first overtone of closed is same as first overtone of open. Then what is ratio of length? Now I should know overtone means what. Closed pipe vibrates with frequency n, 3n, 5n dot dot dot. This is called fundamental first overtone. So first overtone will be 3 times fundamental frequency. Open pipe vibrates with frequency n, 2n, 3n dot dot. तो इसका ये fundamental, ये first overtone. So 2 times fundamental is first overtone of open. So 3 times V upon length of closed pipe. Fundamental frequency of open pipe is 2 times length of open pipe. This 2 I can cancel, VV I can cancel. So we get length of closed pipe upon length of open pipe ratio as 3:4. 3/4 is the required ratio. 3:4, option D. Solve. Overtones are same, both important because you have to remember 2 things. Its frequency of vibration ka ratio and then counting.
Done, sir.
Done, na? Okay. See the next sum. Sum number 34. 33, 34. There are two open organ pipe exciting same length and material. Then frequency of their fundamental note will be. Now all frequencies are inversely proportional to length, whether it is closed pipe, open pipe or string. So there are two open organ pipe, its frequency will be 2 times L. Fundamental frequency is V upon 2L, but with end correction you have to write plus 2E. Now E is 0.3D. So if diameter becomes wide, frequency will become less, inversely proportional. A is the answer. Theoretical question, inversely proportional, so wide वाला less हो जाएगा. Next one. Sum number 35 is this. 35, 36 both are very important. The first overtone produced by an organ pipe closed at one end. कौन सा overtone? First overtone of organ pipe closed at one end. So first overtone of closed equals to frequency F. The first overtone is of frequency F. The first overtone produced by open organ pipe of same length will have what frequency? Sahil, video off कर दो. साहिल वीडियो ऑफ कर दो.
हाँ हाँ सर, वो गलती से चालू.
ओके, स्क्रीन पे जगह खा लेता है. फर्स्ट ओवरटोन ऑफ क्लोज्ड इज F.
हाँ
Now first overtone of closed is F means 3 times fundamental of closed is F. Then first overtone of open they want, I'm calling this as F dash. First overtone of closed is 2 times fundamental is F dash. So dividing 1 with 2 we get 3 times closed upon 2 times fundamental is F upon F dash. Therefore F dash equals to 2 times open upon 3 times closed into F. So open is V upon 2L, closed is V upon 4L into F. V upon L cancel, 2 will get cancelled. 4 by 3F is the required frequency. Very important sum. Answer 4 by 3. 4 by 3 is given in D. Completed?
एक मिनट सर.
हाँ, अच्छे से समझ के करो, अच्छा समय है.
हाँ सर, हो गया.
Okay, 36. An open organ pipe produces its fundamental frequency F. An open organ pipe produces fundamental frequency F. When the pipe is dipped in water, when this pipe is dipped in water, so that 2 by 5 of its length is underwater. 2 by 5 length is underwater. then fundamental frequency becomes how much? 2 by 5 is in water, that means 3 by 5 is in air. This much clear? 2 by 5 in water, 3 by 5 in air. Hello? When 2 by 5 of length is in water, then 3 by 5 length is in air. This much clear?
हाँ सर.
अभी अपने पास एक ओपन पाइप है जिसका लेंथ L है, दूसरा क्लोज्ड पाइप जिसका लेंथ 3 by 5 L है. We have to find frequency. So for open pipe, frequency is F, that is V upon 2L equals to F. For closed pipe of length 3 by 5 L, frequency will be and we have to find in terms of F. I'm writing F dash. So V upon 4 times 3 by 5 L equals to F dash. That is 5V upon 12L equals to F dash, equation 2. Dividing 1 by 2. Divide 1 by 2. So V upon 2L into 12L upon 5V equals to F upon F dash. V gets cancelled. 2 into 6. Therefore, F dash equals to 5 by 6 times F. This is also very important, sir, because we may consider that pipe immersed in water as open pipe. It is closed. So 5 by 6 times F, D option again.
Done sir.
Okay. 37. In case of open organ pipe, which harmonic means pith over tone? In case of pipe, open organ pipe, which harmonic is called pith over tone? 37. Open pipe has frequencies N, 2N, 3N dot dot dot. This is called fundamental, first overtone, second overtone, and so on. They are telling. Then pith overtone is which harmonic? This is second. So pith overtone is which harmonic? Abhi common sense. First overtone becomes second, second becomes third. So P will become P plus 1 harmonic.
Sir.
Clear?
P plus 1.
P plus 1 harmonic is the answer. P plus 1 C option. 38. Resonating air column contains. Now since in that air column, resonating air column, we hear sound. Sound means longitudinal wave. So they are stationary longitudinal wave since we can hear sound is heard. Therefore, that is waves are longitudinal. And if longitudinal, then sound waves, but they are stationary. Therefore, option A. 38 option A. 39.
सर एक
Among,
मिनट
uh,
हाँ सर हो गया.
among the possible note from organ pipe closed at one end, first overtone is which harmonic? Closed pipe. First overtone which harmonic for closed pipe?
सेकंड सर.
नहीं, for closed pipe क्या क्या frequency रहता है देखो. For closed pipe frequencies are n, 3n, 5n ऐसा रहता है ना. तो इसको फंडामेंटल बोलते हैं. ये फर्स्ट ओवरटोन होता है ना, फर्स्ट वाला. कितना हो गया? कितना हार्मोनिक है?
थर्ड सर.
थर्ड हार्मोनिक. सो आंसर सी, थर्ड हार्मोनिक. Next, a closed pipe is resonating with fundamental frequency of 300 Hertz. Which one of the following statement is not correct? Say fundamental frequency is V upon 4L, which is not correct. If pressure rises, frequency will increase. Frequency will increase only when V and L are increasing. Frequency will increase if V, L are increasing. तो फर्स्ट बोला प्रेशर बढ़ाया तो फ्रीक्वेंसी बढ़ेगा. When pressure is increased, neither length nor velocity is increased. Therefore, fundamental frequency will not change. वो लोग ने बोला frequency will increase. That itself is wrong answer. So A is correct answer for us. Next, 41. Complete first till this. Forty-one. Consider two organ pipe both closed at one end. Two organ pipe both closed at one end, having length L and L plus delta L. If the velocity of sound in air is V, number of beat heard will be how much? If delta L is very small as compared to L, neglect and correction. Number of beats heard. Frequency is inversely proportional to length. So N1 will be greater than N2. Therefore, beats will be N1 minus N2. N1 is V upon 4L. N2 is V upon 4 times L plus delta L. V by 4 we can take common. So here we'll get L delta L minus L upon L into L plus delta L. L cancel. So V by 4 into delta L upon L into L plus delta L. Since delta L is very small than L, so L plus delta L we can take approximately only L. So this will become V by 4 delta L upon L into L, that is V by 4 delta L upon L square. Upon 4L square V delta L, C option. Option C. Completed?
Yes, sir.
42. A stationary wave is set up in air column of glass tube partially filled with water. By placing tuning fork near open end of the tube is, open end is always an antinode. So B. Open end antinode is formed. B option. 43rd. In a closed pipe, frequency in a closed pipe, the frequency of fundamental note is 50. Note of following frequency which will not be emitted. So because it is closed pipe, 43. Closed pipe emits frequencies. Closed pipe emits frequencies n, 3n, 5n, 7n dot dot dot. तो लोग ने बोला पहला वाला 50 है, so it will emit 50, 150, 250, 350 dot dot dot. So 50 it will emit, 100 it will not emit. B option. It will not emit 100. Next 44. 44. A pipe of length 20 centimeter closed at one end. Which harmonic mode of pipe is excited by 425 Hz? The speed of sound is 340 meter per second. Beautiful sound. Which harmonic is excited by 424? So indirectly I should know 424 is how many times of fundamental. So fundamental frequency of closed is V upon 4L. V is 340, 4, this is 20 centimeter, so 10 raised to minus 2 meter. This will become 340 upon 80 into 10 raised to plus 2. 8 into 4, 32. 8 4 is a 32. Remainder 2, 8 2 is a 16, 8 5 is a. So this is 425 hertz. So n given upon n fundamental is 425 upon 425, 1. That means n given is same as fundamental. Fundamental means first harmonic. First harmonic. That's all for today. Next class we'll just complete this and start with wave motion ka MCQ and numerical. Wave motion ka numerical MCQ we have not yet done. This Sunday test will be on stationary wave theory plus MCQ. Completed till last line? Completed na till last line? Hello, completed till last line?
1 minute sir. हाँ सर हो गया.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
So stick to the
Hello?
planner. Complete your work regularly. Sunday test will be on stationary wave theory plus MCQ together.
सर मैंने जो आपको PDF भेजा है ना एग्जाम का,
आपने सुबह भेजा अभी लेक्चर